Okay, so let's set the camera. This is R50. We're on the video mode. Okay, so let's go for the settings, info queue. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use full HD. Full, what's the option? 4K 25p. Okay, you have 4K 25 frames, full HD 50, full HD 50, full HD 25, and full HD 25. So let's go try to use the 4K, which is 25p. Yeah. Yun, so yeah, we're testing now the video quality of this new Canon EOS R50. And so it's have eye tracking, so it's track on my eye, and image stabilization is already there. I turn it on, and this is the built-in microphone also of the camera, and we didn't use any external microphone, but in the next clip we will try to use another microphone, which is the DJI, my favorite microphone of the day, of the year, of the month. So again, this is the quality of the Canon EOS R50 with the kit lens. Again, I am using the kit lens, which is I put the 16mm. Yeah, the 16mm 3.5, and my aperture is 4.5. Let's check if we can change while recording. I think no, but again, this is a 4.5 aperture with a shutter 1:50, because I'm using 4K 25p, and the ISO is 400. So ayun, alin te? So let's try to use the full HD of the camera. Let's try. So again, this is a 4K quality of the video, so I think it's crap. So let's switch to full HD. And so we switch for full HD, but I think it's all same, guys. So meaning the 4K on this R50 is not cropping, it will be the same. So 4K and full HD, same. I mean, it's not cropping when using 4K resolution. So yeah, this is the quality of the full HD camera. So and let's do a test. And again, we're here in AAB World Megastore showroom. Yeah. So again, let's try to use external microphone. So on this video clip, I didn't use any external microphone. So on the next clip, we will try to use external microphone. So again, guys, this is the Canon R50 with DJI microphone. So we use external microphone. On the first two clips, that's the built-in microphone from the camera. But on this clip, guys, this is with the DJI. This is the DJI wireless microphone in the Canon R50. So ayan, and I'm shooting, I think it's switched again to 4K, and yeah, with 16mm with 16mm lens, which is 18 to 45. So I'm in the, it's on the screen. I'm in the 18mm kit lens of the new Canon R50. So if you are looking or searching for vlogging camera, this is the best option, the Canon EOS R50. And we have even the vlogging kit that with the camera, with the microphone, and the holder from Canon holder. The brand, the model is HG 100 TBR. So we will try to connect and use this one day on the next vlog. So I think that's it for today, guys. This is the quick test on the camera EOS R50 for vlogging, and and we will do more tests on the camera. And if you have any question or suggestion, you can comment down below. So yan. Again, after we end this vlog guys, if you are new to my channel, please support and subscribe. Yan. So para sa analytics ng ating channel, it will gives good analytics. Yan. And if you like this video, just thumbs up and yan. So again guys, hanggang dito lang. Again, if you want to know more about our product or price of this Canon EOS R50, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Canon camera is already in our website. So yan. And I think that's for today. Thank you and mabuhay.